Well, hello everybody. The top is missing. So I took the top off and then I took the support braces that he had on the ends to keep it from warping. And I took it in the house and mounted it on my table. And this is what it looks like. Of course, the kitty had to get in on the picture. So, the hell time is it? About 3 o'clock. I figure I'm sick of looking at all this mess on the floor, and it's time I clean this up. So that's what I'm going to do today. Just some organizing. I'm going to do some organizing. Organizational skills will be coming out, cleaning up my mess, putting everything back where it goes. Mess on the bench. I got a mess everywhere, and that's the way it goes when you're working on stuff. But yeah, then the only thing I got to do is put the stereo in that I want and adjust up the rear brakes on this, and that's it. So I got a lot of putting away because there's a mess here, and all my scrap metal, like these old struts, I'll put up with the road because there's usually a metal scrap guy that comes by, and maybe I can give him my batteries. You know, maybe I can check my one battery I took out of my car, put that on the charger, see if it works, and we'll go from there. But for now, it's cleanup time, so I'll be back and this place should look new again. Maybe. We'll see what happens. Well, that's a little better. I even vacuumed it with my super vacuum. So, got it straightened up pretty decent. Getting ready for the next project when it cools down. Tomorrow should be a nicer day. Got the bench cleaned off. And that's about it. I'm charging this battery, and it's doing pretty good. This battery is halfway decent. I'll give it to my neighbor for his truck, because he needs a battery for his truck. So it saves me from getting rid of it. And yeah, it was just 3 months before the warranty ran out, but it's a prorated warranty, so they probably would have gave me like $2. You know, it's ridiculous. So that's a fine. That's a fine with me. How's everybody surviving the heat out there? I've been sitting inside in the air conditioning. Here's little puppy dog. Hi, buddy. It's all clean. Daddy cleaned it, huh? Looks nice. You're inspecting it? He's the garage inspector. Oh, look at those. Woo, look at them in there. Nice brakes. They work good too. So tomorrow when it cools, I'll probably pull the back wheels off, adjust up the rear brakes. I got my scrap metal bucket. I left a note on there that says, you know, take the steel, leave the bucket. And I've got more scrap steel out behind my house this guy could have. Pieces of miscellaneous roofing tin and stuff like that. So, well, this didn't take too long. We'll kill Mr. Big Fan. Got a bent pulley on that thing, that's why she's shaking. Now you can see that pulley. What the hell's that noise? Clang, clang, clang. Why was it clanging? Yeah, see, this blade's got to get bent back a little bit. I totally wadded this thing up. I totally wadded one blade right around, and I had to hammer it all back straight because I was moving it, and these flexible blades caught the front cage and just bent the crap out of everything, but I hammered it back. Good enough. All right. Well, that's it. That's it. That's all I'm going to do today because I'm already starting to sweat. Right, buddy? Huh? What is it out here? 80. Right on the nose. 80 degrees. So I'll close this door here. I leave my garage doors open because it sucks that nice cool air right up and right out of here. And then I got a frog that comes in. There's this big ass stupid frog that comes in. Wonder if we can find it. Jenny, let's go see if we can find your frog. Oh, I gotta get this bucket out of here too. Last time the frog was, well, he's moved on, but he was hiding in the hole down there. Yeah, look at my lawnmower. All that wet grass caked down there when I was mowing in the pouring rain. Yeah, it's kind of refreshing, so. All right, that's it. I'll catch everybody later. Have a good one. I'll see you later. Happy belated 4th of July. I didn't do nothing. Watched TV, slept on the couch, whatever. Okay, see ya.